So hey guys, good morning. 3 महीने हो गए मैंने vlog नहीं किया. It's been 3 months now, and I'm thinking a lot before vlogging because I don't get enough time. But now I'm going to Cork with my friends. Well, as usual, off to Euston Station, and we have to change 2 buses, and we are sad. And we are at Euston Station. So finally, we are off at the Cork station, and I'll show you the train, the engine that we always used to enjoy. I can see the church from here. It doesn't zoom, but it's so good. So we have booked an accommodation, a hostel for a night, and we are heading towards it. It's called as Sheila's Hostel. We are 7 people because accommodation over here is really expensive. Well, from the Cork station is just, I would say, a 5 minutes walk. Not much, around 800 meters to the Sheila's hostel. And I feel that that's pretty, I mean the hostels over here are expensive, but this one's pretty, I would say, cheap. Also, we found the cheapest one. So let's see. Well, behind me is the Sheila's hostel that we're gonna stay this night. So finally, the first place that we're gonna visit is the English market. So we're gonna go to the English market first, and everybody's here. Well, the road looks really good. Look at that. And you can see the buildings as well over there. Well, the city, it was supposed to be cloudy, but it is not. Well, thank you. Well, as they say that it is in heaven for meat lovers. Well, when you're in the English market, there are a lot of, it's mostly for the meat lovers. But if you are in there, if you're vegetarian, you should definitely try the strawberry. And the strawberry is really fresh, so you can definitely try that. So, well, the next stop is the Butter Museum, and it's 10 minutes walk from the English market. A very intense discussion. This is the Butter Museum. This was our next stop. Now we're gonna go in. So, well, we were about to enter the Butter Museum, but there were only 2 demos for the day, and one already finished and the other one already got started. So, well, we entered the museum now, but now there are no demos, so there's no point of wasting €4. Well, there is a maintenance now. I think it's not our luck today, but we are still going in because it's €4 to see the view upstairs. It's better to put that €4 over here. And sadly, there is no bell ringing today because of some maintenance. Look at this view, guys. So good. It's peace over here. Look at the houses. I think it was really worth it. So the next place is lunch. Well, the ambience is good, and I'll decide what we're gonna eat. So this is the pad thai rice. Well, after leaving the Asian food, now we are tired because we had to give half of the food away because the food was so sweet and one portion was enough for 2 people. Well, we all are ready now. We just came to our place just to rest because we ate a lot and half of the food was wasted. So now we took a break, got fresh, and now we are on to some castle. So that's the 3rd spot in a day. I mean, it's not possible to visit every places in a day, but we are trying to do our best. Tomorrow is a great day for us. I hope that it is sunny. So we'll be catching a bus in some time. No idea from where, but let's go. So, well, we are here after 15 minutes of walk and 15 minutes of travel from the bus. This is the castle, Blackrock Castle. There's one Blackrock in Dublin as well, but this is a Blackrock Castle. Ticket price adult, student €7. Opening hours and better.
7th Street. Okay, you paying together or separate?
Well, it's good for people who like science and who like astronomy, so it's really, great for them. Like some nerdy stuff. Well, it's really great for the people who love and are interested in astronomy. And there's a lot to see over here and a lot to learn. But I get bored. I like to watch a movie, but over here, bored. Well, the city is great, and we have a lot of things to see, and we did see a lot of things, but we wanted to experience some more things, but we didn't get the time to do it. And most of the things were closed and under construction, so a hard day for us, I would say. Tomorrow I'm hoping to have a good day because tomorrow is a boat ride, so I'm waiting for that. Let's see. Now we're gonna go back to the city center from the Black Rock Castle that's behind me, and we're gonna go back to city center to have dinner. So well, we are back at the Cork city, and we are heading towards our dinner. I don't know where to, but I'm hoping it's something good. That's an evening in the city center. Well, that's the place where are we going to eat. एम्बियंस तो बढ़िया है. Well, this place is so good, so great. The tiramisu and the cannoli and the pastas are so great over here. You should definitely visit this place. It's properly handmade and everything is really delicious, and it's really enough for one person. Well, now we are going to a club, Green Lane or something like that, and we're gonna sit there and enjoy the music. I'm not gonna be recording it, but I'll record it on my phone, so sorry for the quality issue.